Hi everyone, welcome back. Pat here with Advanced RV Centers in Okeechobee, Florida. End of April, summer's right around the corner, guys. I got a beautiful 2014 leisure travel van, Unity 24 MB floor plan on a Mercedes Sprinter chassis featuring full body paint. These little units are very well built. Do not compare them to a entry-level Coachman or Winnebago Thor product. These are exceptional build quality. Let me take you around. We got electric awning there by Carefree. Tires are right at 4 years old. Great little unit here. It's got a 3200 watt ONAN quiet diesel generator. Nice big storage compartment here in the back. Got additional storage down below, 2 storage bays and your generator. Got the spare tire mount there. Does have solar on the roof. Check it out. Love bug season down here. These little bastards are everywhere. Your wet bay down there next to this. Yeah, there's where your city water hookup's going to be. Back there's your black water. 30 amp service. All your slide seals and slide toppers are in good shape. Sitting right at 89,000 miles. No peeling or any flaws there on the upholstery. WeatherTech floor mats. Looking for a new owner. Let's take you inside. Nice large U-shaped dinette booth here with the Murphy bed. All you'll do is remove this table and the bed folds down to a full queen. It's really a unique floor plan. You got a television across from that on a televator. Ice cold AC. Clean little coach. Again, the cabinetry's, real nice. Upholstery, no peeling. Moving along, great overhead storage here. You got your little kitchen here, 2-burner cooktop. What do we have back here? A little trash can there. Dometic, what is that, 8 cubic foot refrigerator, microwave oven, nice little pantry here to the right, nice size wardrobe here in the back. The 24-foot unit, it's got all kind of storage options. Nice little vanity there with a nice window there in the back. Nice tall shower and your toilet. You got a pocket door here. Okay. There you have it. 2014 Leisure Unity 24 MB Mercedes chassis with 89,000 miles. Feel free to call with any additional questions. Again, my name's Pat. Number's 561-719-9774. Talk to you soon.